In this video, I will show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So what you have to do is uninstall your WhatsApp from your phone and then go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp and then install the WhatsApp. Once the installation is complete, click on Open. Now what you have to do is add your phone number and verify it. Ensure it's the same number used to create the backup. And once the verification is complete, once prompted, click on Restore to recover your messages and media from Google Drive. After the restoration process is complete, click on Next, and then WhatsApp will restore your chat history first, and media files will continue to be restored in the background. Remember, to successfully restore from Google Drive, you need to use the same phone number and Google account you used to create the backup. Local backups are stored for up to 7 days. Media files and chats are included in the backups, but you should ensure sufficient storage space on your device to accommodate the restoration. This will help you to get your WhatsApp chat back on your Android device.